Oh God. My question to you, sir, is that the next thing we're going to make?
That is absolutely the next thing we're going to make, a variant of that.
Fantastic. Let's get on with it then.
Rightio.
Behind it. Jason's a bit shy, in case you hadn't noticed. It doesn't really like being on camera. Well, this is just magnificent, mate. So this is, have you got a name for it?
The Rocket Stove Mark II.
The Rocket Stove Mark II. Is it called Mark II because it's twin turrets? Oops, nearly knocked it over. Is it what?
That's a very good idea. No, it's not. It's because it's the second rocket stove I made.
Okay.
Let me lift that off.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
There.
So, two-piece rocket stoves. The wood goes in the top here. Then this is a little flappy paddle that can be used to regulate the amount of air that's getting sucked into the stove, so you can set the burn rate of the wood. Mm-hmm. Then you've cut away some bits of the chimney.
Castellated the chimney.
Castellated the. I like that. Yeah. So we've castellated the chimney so that when you put a pan on the top of it, you're not blocking the chimney effectively. You still got fire coming through. You've got some feet on it, and it's all made out of box section
mild steel.
Mild steel.
I believe 100 mil.
100 mil, okay, 100 mil box section. And then we've got this as well. Then, so this is like the two-turret castle.
That's right.
Yeah, okay, with a plate on the top of it. Mm-hmm. Is that for warming your cup?
You can do anything you want on that.
So that gets hot enough to cook on as well. Yeah. And then you can boil a kettle on one of them, and you can have, if you're making spaghetti bolagnese, you can have your pasta on one side, kettle on the other side. And that's just magnificent, mate. Well done. Well, it's just fantastic.
It's amazing.
It is. It really is.
Oh my God, I want one.
Who came up with That's brilliant. So obviously today we don't have time to be able to put all of that kind of stuff together, and there's going to be an element of you teaching me how to do some of this madness. And I will say, looking at the detail of your welding work, there is some good welding work on here. It doesn't look like my pigeon poo welding. So what we're just going to make a sort of a basic one of these then today. Then I guess we probably won't bother with the paddle on the front of it and all that kind of stuff.
Well, I mean,
depends on how much time we've got. Yeah.
You can decide what you want. Do you want a gravity feed or do you want a manual feed? Obviously, this is being a gravity feed.
Yeah, it's a gravity feed. So a manual feed would just be an L shape then, would it?
L-shape.
And you poke it in at the bottom.
And then if you look.
Yeah, so inside
there,
paddle,
you feed your wood to there. This would come out a little bit further.
Yeah, okay.
And then basically your wood just piles in there and you push it in.
Well, time will dictate what we do today, I guess, and no doubt it'll be a simple one, because I can imagine it actually takes quite a bit of time to actually put all of this together, because you've got to chop up all the metal work, and then you've got to do all the prep work, and then you've got to get the welder out and all that kind of stuff. So, yeah, okay, brilliant. Well, shall we make a start then?
I think we will.
I'm a little bit nervous.
Don't be nervous. You're in good, safe hands.
Yes.
I don't know whose.
I've
got
where is he? Yeah. Brilliant.
We'll get you making one in a minute.
All right. Excellent.
Polishing my pipe.
I don't know why I would do this. Right, so you want to cut back there, yeah?
Yes, please. You start it off.
Alright, I'll start it off. Jason's channel. Go visit Jason's channel. Go to visit. Links in the description below. Ta-da! He's finished it. I won't grab it by the handle just yet. I tell you what though, it's blessed tempting, it really is. Oh, that's like fresh off the, hot off the press, as they say. That is magnificent, mate. Thank you very, very much indeed.
You're welcome, Harry.
I can't believe you've done that. That's really, really kind.
Well, it's almost what I'll be selling.
It's
not quite the rocket stove, but
no. But to be fair, we've been working together all day in the shop here. Jason has kindly been showing me. That's Jason. He's kindly been showing me how to do some welding, and at the end of it, to be fair, I did nothing here really. You did it all. Thank you very much.
It's very good.
Just mate. I can't wait to fire this up. I don't know if I'm going to make a bacon sandwich or lasagna. Lasagna would be hard work. Oh, it's just brilliant, mate. Thank you very much indeed.
Welcome, mate.
I know it's only a tiny thing.
It's a box.
It's a box. Why am I opening it? There you go. Have a box.
I've got a box.
He's
Thank
got
you
a
very
box.
much. I always wanted a box.
Yeah, it's just a tiny token of appreciation. Thank you very much.
Oh, how wonderful.
Something to drink your coffee out of. It's a plastic bag! Yeah.
That's absolutely wonderful mug. Thank you very much.
Mate, it's been an honour and a pleasure. Thank you so much. Really, really good day, and what an education.
You know what? I'm going to subscribe to you now.
Anyway, so that's actually a very good point. Please, if you haven't seen Jason's channel, he is an artist, he is a welder, he is a fabricator, he's absolutely brilliant. Obviously, the link to his channel will be in the comments below. Please put your comments down below. Anything that, I know it's all been a bit of a dubious day. You know, we've done a little bit of this without all the appropriate safety precautions, and Safety Sally's going to get out there and have a moan at us. But it is what it is. We've done this for fun, and it's just been wicked, mate. Thank you.
Thank you. It's been a pleasure.
Again,
absolutely.
Really, really good. Thank you very much.
I'm a good break dancer as well.
I want to see that. Yeah. Maybe later over a couple of pints.
Absolutely.
Cheers all.
Cheers, buddy.
Cheers.
Right, get out of my fucking shop.